Myntri Rangbah ka Meghalaya Konrad ke sangma ula le jingo ya ke Telangana Integrated Command and Control Center but ula ai jingero ya ke ni ke jaka Kawei ni ki center ki Bha Tam ha India usangma ula ong ba amtang ki core technology ki ba pilong kerpang ya ke ni ke center hindrai ke rukam trekam jongka ka ba pinyaso ikitnat sorkar but ke jing shukri paidbah kalong ka bakong santam ula kedo babun ki Jylla kila banyo jing hikai na ka model jong ke Telangana but ula le hi ban pet bniah ya ke rukam trekam jongka Myntri Rangbah ula pintik naru baka Meghalaya kan persyang banshim ki benta ki babha jong kani ka model ban pinwandur ya ki ha Jylla bat ban pin khlan ya ka jing sinchar paidbah bar ka jing shakri ki nong shnong.
So we are here in the Telangana Integrated Command and Control Center, and without any doubt, this is most probably one of the best integrated command and control centers in the country, because it's not just the technology that they are using out here, but it is the system that they have developed to really coordinate and really ensure that the aspect of governance is improved and made better by ensuring technology is used, departments coordinate, and the overall services that they want to provide to the people become better. So it's a great example which I think many states should learn, and therefore I have come personally myself to see the work going on here, and I can assure you that we will try to replicate as much as possible from what we have seen here in the Telangana Integrated Command and Control Center and try to replicate it back in our state of Meghalaya. Thank you so much.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of home. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.
Thank you.